plane, you would just think, wow, that is massive. Yeah, here it comes in all its glory. I doubt they'll be intersecting. They'll be they'll need a lot of the roll. Well, they're saying that. Interesting, because sometimes they can go empty. Sometimes these planes, if they've dumped all their cargo and they're not taking anything back, which I doubt they would do. It'll be interesting to see where it takes off. Sometimes you find with these cargo planes, if they are empty, they'll take off really, really early. I'm missing someone's joined. Hello, giant coin stacks. What is it about we get great names on this channel? They are great. Giant coin stacks. Just like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Yeah, here is our 747. Hopefully people are joining just at the right time. I think it should start to turn now. I think it's got to the entry point. There you go. There's a great side view. Oh, we've got something written on the side there. Is that that's the what Silky's saying? Yeah, you can't pick him off, can you, at the moment, Tracy? He's maintaining that number one spot. Ryan hasn't rejoined yet, so just to see where he finds himself. So I think they should be able to go straight off. I don't think there's anything stopping them. There's a Cessna 152 coming around. I don't know if it'd be great to see that up against the 747. That's, I think, due to come into land by the looks of it. Yeah, definitely have to wait because they are rolling. So here we go. Atlas Air 747 off to Almaty. Hopefully you can hear that noise. Wow, 3,444 nautical miles. It's a long old flight. God, they are using all of the runway. Yeah, that is definitely full then. There's no way that's gone out empty. There she goes. Queen of the skies. Sorry, so I've just seen your comment at the top there. A380 is also known as Fat Albert. I don't know, I like the forehead one. What was the forehead one? The flying forehead. That's got to be comment of the night, I think. That's Cessna 152. I think that's just about to come in now. There's a Cessna 152 about to land, Jim. You might miss it though because it's going to be quite small. Can't even hear it at the moment. I hope everyone's enjoying the Queen's climb out.